Hello everyone. Business Knowledge has again brought a new business video for you.
In this video we will talk about and let you know how to make a top coat white paint for ships. So let's start the video. First raw material you need is titanium dioxide. Second raw material is Blanc fixe. The third raw material you need is zinc oxide. The fourth raw material you need is Bentone 38. It is a thixotropic agent. The fifth raw material you need is Butanol, swelling agent. The sixth raw material you need for making paint is Cyclized rubber. The seventh raw material you need for making paint is Cereclor 70. The eighth raw material you need for making paint is Cereclor 42. The ninth raw material you need for making paint is Propylene Oxide. The 10th raw material you need for making paint is Xylene. The 11th raw material you need for making paint is Solveso 100. Let's establish the quantity of material needed to produce 100 liter of top coat white paint for ship. Titanium dioxide 18 kg, Blanc fixe 2 kg, zinc oxide 1 kg, Bentone 38 1 kg, and Butanol 0.50 kg, Cyclized Rubber 16 kg, Cereclor 70 12 kg, Cereclor 42 4 kg, Propylene Oxide 0.1 kg, Xylene 30.40 kg, Solveso 115 kg. Mix all the ingredients well in the high-speed disperser machine for at least 2 hours so that the liquid chemical mixes well with the powder.
I hope that the information given to you in the video will be useful, and in the future you will be able to start your own